Welcome to our Leader e-Power L6 electric bicycle unboxing and installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your new electric bicycle. Step 1. Unbox the bicycle. First, cut the cable ties and tapes one by one. Now open the bicycle box. You will get an accessories box containing the accessories and toolkit. Take the bicycle out of the box. Let's check what's inside accessories box. You will get some documentation and a user manual. And then you will get a PU cushioned saddle, pedals, bicycle keys, a wrench, 2 pairs of Allen keys set and a charger. Step 2. Remove the protective wrap. Cut all the cable ties one by one and detach the front wheel. Now carefully remove all the protective wrap. To assemble a bicycle, you will need a wrench and an Allen key set that comes with the bicycle. Step 3. Install the handlebar. Grab an Allen key, loosen the bolt one by one. Remove the faceplate. Place the handlebar into the stem. Hold the faceplate and place it on the handlebar. Screw the bolts into the faceplate using your hand and then tighten each bolt up evenly with the Allen key. Step 4. Install the front mudguard and LED light. First, unscrew the nut and then take the mudguard and align it with the fork crown and attach the front light. Then tighten the screw with the Allen key. Step 5. Install the front wheel. Remove the fork protector. Take a front wheel and remove the protective cap. Loosen the nut of the front hub axle on both sides. Place it in front of you and slide it into place between the fork legs. Insert the washer pins in the hole on both sides. Then tighten up the nuts on either side of the wheel with the wrench. Step 6. Install a bicycle saddle. Place the saddle on the seat post and tighten the bolts using the wrench. Make sure the saddle is level and straight. Step 7. Install the pedals. There are 2 pedals with identification marks L and R. Take the right pedal and fix it on the right crank arm and screw the nut clockwise with a wrench. Now take the left pedal and fix it on the left crank arm and screw the nut counterclockwise with a wrench. Tighten them until the pedal turns smoothly. Now take the charger and plug the charging cable into the battery and charge your bicycle battery until it fully charges. You can check the battery status in LED display and on the battery itself. If you want, you can detach the battery and charge it wherever you want and attach it again using a simple lock and unlock system. Check everything is working properly before you go for your first ride. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Congratulations! You have successfully assembled your new Leader e-Power L6 electric bicycle. Let's see the demo of the Leader e-Power L6 electric bicycle. To turn on the electric bicycle, insert the key and turn it on. The LED display will show you the battery status. Now twist the throttle and start the ride with Leader e-Power L6. Leader e-Power L6 has 3 riding modes: throttle, pedelec and pedal. Throttle mode is 100% electric mode. You can experience the full power of the battery by just twisting the throttle. This mode gives you a speed of 25 km per hour with a range of 25 km. In pedelec mode, you can use the pedal with 90% electric assistance. This mode gives you a range of 30 km. The last mode is pedal mode, which is for pure pedaling. You can use this mode without electric support if you want to save battery. Leader e-Power L6 comes with high torque 250 watt BLDC motor powered by portable 7.8 ampere hour 36 volt lithium ion battery. If you want, you can detach the battery using a simple lock and unlock key system for charging and safety purposes. It has front suspension fork for off-roading and dual disc brakes with quick release mega hub for effortless braking system. Now you can ride freely and enjoy the journey with the Leader e-Power L6 electric bicycle. Enjoy your ride and stay safe.